Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Sara.
And I'm Ali. Hi, everyone.
Today we have a special episode. We are going shopping. Are you ready, Ali?
Yes, Sarah, but sometimes I don't know the English words in a supermarket.
Don't worry. Today we will learn common shopping words, phrases, and expressions.
Great. I want to learn and practice.
Look, Ali. Here is the supermarket. You see the entrance?
Yes, wow, so many people.
First, we need a shopping cart. How do you ask politely in English?
Can I have a shopping cart, please?
Perfect. And if you only want a small basket, you say, "Do you have a basket?"
Can I have a shopping cart, please? Or do you have a basket?
Excellent. Now let's go inside.
Okay, what is the first section we will visit?
The fruits and vegetables section. This is where we buy fresh food.
I like fruits. How do I ask where they are?
You say, "Excuse me, where are the fruits?"
Excuse me, where are the fruits?
Very good. Now we can practice asking for specific fruits.
I want apples. How do I ask?
You can ask, "Do you have fresh apples?" Or, "I would like some apples, please."
Do you have fresh apples?
Perfect. Let's choose some. How many do you want?
3 apples.
Great! Now for vegetables, you can ask, "Do you have carrots?" Or, "I need some tomatoes, please."
I need some tomatoes, please.
Excellent! And if you want more than one, you can say, "I want 2 carrots." Or, "I need 3 tomatoes."
I want 2 carrots. I need 3 tomatoes.
Very good. Also, you can ask for a weight. For example, "A kilo of apples, please." Or, "A pound of carrots, please."
A kilo of apples, a pound of carrots. Got it.
Wonderful. Let's move to another section, bakery and bread.
Wow, so many types of bread. How do I ask for a specific type?
You can say, "Do you have whole wheat bread?" Or, "I would like a loaf of white bread, please."
I would like a loaf of white bread, please.
Excellent. And if you want pastries, you can ask, "Do you have croissants?" Or, "I would like 2 muffins, please."
I would like 2 muffins, please.
Perfect. And remember, in English, we often say please to be polite.
Yes, please is very important.
Exactly. Let's go to the dairy section now.
Wow, milk, cheese, yogurt, so many things. How do I ask for milk?
You can say, "I would like a liter of milk, please." Or, "Do you have skim milk?"
I would like a liter of milk, please.
Very good. And for cheese, "Do you have cheddar cheese?" Or, "I would like 200 grams of cheese, please."
I would like 200 grams of cheese.